Hello everyone, my name is Manodin. I am going to give you something which is very important for your life. If you want to do something great like APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Swami Vivekanand, Prime Minister Modi, then you must watch this video till end. So please stick with me. And without any delay, let's begin this video. To be honest, if you want to make your 2023 the best in life, if you want to do great, if you want to achieve your goal in 2023, then you will have to follow these 5 tips in life perfectly. So, what are these 5 tips? My first tip is don't waste your time. To be honest, most of us waste time in watching bad videos, in traveling, in gossiping. But I say to you, please stop wasting your time in bad works, in bad activities. Stop wasting your time and start using your time in good deeds, in good activities, because most of us don't value time. That's when time doesn't value us. If you don't value your time, then after a point of time, time will also not value you. So from today, stop wasting your time and start doing great work. Because of spending time in watching bad videos, in spending time with friends, we are not able to get success in life. Whatever we want to achieve in life, if we will not able to follow time properly and passionately, then we will not able to succeed in our life. And let's talk about another point. Don't waste your valuable time in waiting any opportunity. Don't wait for any opportunity. I have seen this several times. Many people waste their time in waiting opportunity. But to be honest, if you will have good skills, if you will have knowledge, if you have talent, then automatic after a point of time you will get opportunities comprehensively. So please, first of all, gain your knowledge, improve your skill, then automatic you will get opportunities much. Let's talk about another point. Control your mind. It is very important. If you are a student, then you must control your mind, because we fail several times. Why? Because we are not able to control our mind from going in a bad direction. Sometimes many bad thoughts start coming in our mind. We distract from our goal. We start thinking about bad things. But we will have to avoid from these all bad things. There is big role of our mind in success in life. So we should use our mind in thinking good things. We should study good books. It will help. Good books and meditation will stop us from doing bad things. And let's talk about another point. Believe in yourself. It is very important. If you do everything but you don't believe in yourself, then nothing will happen in your favor. You can't do anything in your life if you don't believe in yourself. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekanand, Mahatma Gandhi, Prime Minister Modi, these all great person have believed in yourself. In yourself. That's when they have become famous in this world. So from today, start believing in yourself. Okay, so whatever I have told you in this video, you must follow these all tips. By using these steps, you can become famous in this world. You can make 2023 memorable. You can make 2023 great, like APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekanand, Prime Minister Modi. Okay, so please apply these all steps in your life. Follow these all tips in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video till end.